A couple videos back, I shared that my family is currently in the fire. And when people ask, when are you going home? And I still do not know that answer. I don't know when we are going home. I don't know when things are going to be as planned. I don't know when things are going to get back on track. When I am feeling fears and questions that I don't even know the answers to. One of the things that I'm doing in this season is worshiping. So I want to invite you to worship with me. These are just intimate moments that I'm sharing with the Lord. As I shower, I'm worshiping. As I'm dressing, I'm worshiping. As I'm cleaning, I'm worshiping. As I'm working, I'm worshiping. I just have been worshiping in this season. So I want to encourage you to worship with me and think about what you're going through and just know that it's all working together for your good. I need thee, oh, I need thee every hour. I need thee. Oh, bless me now, my Savior. I come to thee every day, every hour. I need thee every day, every hour. I need thee. Oh, bless me now, my Savior.